In this video, we will be discussing some effective tips and techniques for health fitness recovery.
Whether you have been injured or just need to get back into shape after a long period of inactivity, we'll provide you with some actionable tips and exercises. With the right approach, you can boost your physical health and well-being, helping you feel better, stronger, and more confident.
5 keywords.
1.
Health fitness.
2.
Recovery.
3. Exercise. 4. Injury. 5.
Physical well-being.
Introduction. Hello, and welcome to this video on health fitness recovery. Whether you've been sidelined by an injury or are simply looking to get back into shape after some time away from exercise, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing some useful tips and techniques to help you get back to feeling your best. Section 1. Understanding the importance of health fitness recovery. To truly appreciate the importance of health fitness recovery, it's important to consider what happens to our bodies during and after exercise. When we work out, we put stress on our muscles, joints, and cardiovascular system. While this stress is important for building strength and endurance, it can also take a toll on our bodies over time. Recovery is essential to help our bodies repair and rebuild after exercise, allowing us to come back stronger and healthier. Section 2. Tips for effective recovery. There are many different approaches to recovery, but some of the most effective techniques include 1. Rest and sleep. Adequate rest is essential for recovery, as it gives our bodies time to repair and rebuild after exercise. 1. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night and take regular rest days from exercise. 2. Nutrition. Good nutrition is essential for recovery, as it provides our bodies with the building blocks necessary to repair and rebuild. 2. Focus on eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and protein. 3. Hydration. Staying hydrated is important for many aspects of health and well-being, including recovery. 3. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water per day, and more if you're exercising regularly. 4. Stretching and mobility exercises. Stretching and mobility exercises are important for maintaining range of motion and preventing injury. 4. Incorporate these exercises into your routine and take special care to stretch any areas of your body that feel tight or sore after exercise. Section 3. Exercises for recovery. In addition to the tips outlined above, there are also some specific exercises that can be helpful for promoting recovery. These include 1. Foam rolling. Foam rolling is a technique used to release tight muscles and promote recovery. 1. Roll over tense areas of your body, focusing on areas like your calves, IT band, and upper back. 2. Yoga. Yoga can promote relaxation and flexibility, making it a great choice for recovery. 2. Look for gentle, restorative yoga classes or online videos that emphasize relaxation and stress relief. 3. Swimming. Swimming is a low-impact exercise that can help promote recovery by improving circulation and reducing muscle soreness. 3. Consider incorporating swimming into your routine as a way to give your body a break from high-impact exercise. And that's it for our video on health fitness recovery. We hope these tips and techniques have been helpful for you. As always, be sure to speak with a doctor or physical therapist if you're dealing with an injury or any other health condition. With the right approach, you can recover from injuries and get back to feeling your best. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful for understanding some tips and techniques for health fitness recovery. Remember, recovery is essential for keeping your body healthy and strong. With the right approach, you can bounce back from injuries and feel better than ever. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.